All right, Georgia Sports Cards here. We're doing a break of 2022 Panini World Cup Prizm. First off the line, this is a 2-box break. Good luck to you all. Appreciate the fill as always. Good luck, good luck. All right, first box. There's the auto. We got a blue, Dusan Vlahovic. That's a nice blue. 26 of 299. Serbia. That is going to Ernie. Solomana. Ooh, that's an orange. We got an orange. Good luck. Good luck on the orange. Getting some extra color here. Marquinhos for Brazil Others, 41 of 99. That is Ernie. Messina, Wales. There is the Shimmer. We got Kaminsky for Poland, 42 of 399. Vlahovic, silver. Giovanni Reina. Hope they get some more playing time next game. Not just Suarez, 7 minutes. Guille. Havertz. Messi on a silver. It's got Messi on this one. Jason with Messi. Pink. Gerardo Ortega from Mexico. Alright, good luck. We got an orange, the shimmer, and the auto. Orange, shimmer, and auto coming up. Let's do the orange first. So let's get this under here. Blue. That is Eric Gutierrez from Mexico. 4 of 75. That is going to Ernie. All right, the orange first. Good luck. Usually it's this way. Orange first. Rafinha. That's nice for Brazil. Rafinha. That is 10 of 25. Brazil others. It's got Brazil others. Ernie. Rafinha. Alright, the auto and the shimmer. Let's do the auto first. Shimmer auto here. Good luck. Paul Ince for England others on the shimmer auto. England others is, where are you at? Ernie. And the blue shimmer, number to 5. Good luck. Come on, big name. L. You? Lucas Paqueta for Brazil. That's Brazil others. That is going to Ernie. 2 of 5. 2 of 5. So Brazil others. Alright, box number 2. Good luck. Inks. So no, the E isn't pronounced at the end. Paul Ince. Alright, good luck. Box number 2 here. Boyle. Wow, another orange, guys. Another orange. Good luck. Getting some extra color here. Orange. Jiku. There's the shimmer blue. We got Leon Goretzka for Germany. 169 of 199. That is going to Ernie. Di Maria Messi. Going to Jason. Backwards. Teasing me. I hate when it does that. See the black on top, and I think it's a black Prizm. It's just the auto. Red. Taremi for Iran. 69 of 399. Iran is Fahad. Do ship to Canada. You guys, for those who are in Canada, do have to pay extra on the shipping, though. Do ship to Canada. Each on Wong. Jude. Again, it's all based on weight of the package. Darwin Núñez on a silver. Gadu for Cameroon. Purple, Rajkovic for Serbia. 8 of 49. Serbia is Ernie. Ooh, nice. Pink Pedri. Got Pedri there. Ernie. Nice pink Pedri. Alright. Orange. Auto. And a shimmer. Good luck. Last 3 hits. Orange, auto, and a shimmer. So we had some extra color in this one. Some oranges. Alright, there's the Anthony. Good luck on the orange. Oh, it's going to be a shield. Team Crest. Good luck. Team Crest orange. Is that Wales? It is for Wales. Anthony is 14 of 299. USA Others is Ernie, and the Wales Crest is going to Ernie. 22 of 25. Alright, the auto and then the shimmer. Auto first. Going backwards here. Oh, sick. Roberto Firmino. Nice. For Brazil. Eddie. Eddie on the board. Firmino auto. Nice one, Eddie. Brazil 2 boxer. 3 Brazilians on the board there. Alright. Shimmer, last of the break. What do we got? Rookie and no rookie. No rookie. Ooh, long name, because look where the S starts. S starts early. Sergej Milinkovic-Savic for Serbia. Ernie. 4 of 5. 4 of 5 there. That was the break. Quick little break on that one. Again, we had the Núñez Rashkovic, Pedri, Gutierrez, Vlahovic, Marquinhos, Messi. Getting the shimmer here, Milankovic, Savic, Lucas Paqueta, the Roberto Firmino, Blue Shimmer Auto, Paul Ince, Blue Shimmer Auto. 2 oranges in this one too, the Rafinha for Brazil and the Wales crest there. Again, appreciate everybody on that one.